Okay, so what I've done is just put a bit of solder blob on 2 pins. Don't know if you can see this on the camera, but the IR sensor is a 3-pin device, just below and right hand side of that red top red screw there, and you should be able to make out there's a little solder blob. I've just zoom into it now. So there's 3 pins there, so the bottom 2 pins are just shorted out. I was going to take out the record level to get better access, but there's 3 screws, so it's going to be quite a job to dismantle it, but so I was able to get the soldering iron in there. So let's give that a go now and power it up and see how we get on.